Okey, soalan nombor 8B ni, Madam rasa you all boleh buat. Cuma you all tak tahu what is mean by the standard temperature. STP refer to the standard temperature and pressure. The value for the standard temperature. What is the standard temperature? 0 degree Celsius. What is the standard pressure? 1 atm. Condition dia tak bagi tahu dah. Temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Pressure is 1 atm. Dia suruh awak calculate the volume of the oxygen gas needed. Sorry, saya salah tadi garis pula. Dia suruh awak calculate the volume of oxygen gas. Okay, so V of oxygen gas equals to how many liter? If the volume of C2H4 used is 10.0 liter. Okay, so this question refer ataupun dia relate to the chapter 1. Iaitu stoichiometry awak. Di mana kita kena write the equation for the combustion process. Sebab sekarang ni dia tengok pada combustion process di mana C2H4 gas combusted completely in oxygen gas produce. What is the product produced when the hydrocarbon burn in oxygen? Carbon dioxide gas and water vapor awak. So make sure the equation balance. So how to balance it? 2 mole of CO2, 2 mole of water vapor. So how many mole of oxygen? 3 mole of oxygen gas is required. Okay, balance equation. Make sure equation yang awak tulis tu adalah equation yang balance. Tindan pula saya tulis semula Okay, so ini adalah equation for the combustion. So dia suruh awak kira, calculate the volume of oxygen needed. Okay. Ni, berapakah volume of oxygen required? V of oxygen sama dengan berapa if the volume of the C2H4 is equal to 10.0 liter. So kita kena buat apa? Bilangan mole dia kan. So kat sini kita tengok from the equation 1 mole of C2H4 required 3 mole of oxygen. So 10 liter ni sebenarnya berapa mole? How to calculate the mole of C2H4 based on the volume provided? Dah bagi volume is 10 liter, pressure 1 atm, temperature 0 degree Celsius. Boleh tak kita kira mole of C2H4? Boleh. By using the ideal gas equation iaitu PV equals to nRT. Okay. So kita gunakan formula ni. Pressure is 1 atm. Volume is 10 liter divided by R is the gas constant value 0.08206 liter atm per mole per Kelvin multiple by the temperature. Temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Boleh kita terus masuk dalam formula? Tak boleh. Kita kena convert to the Kelvin. So 0 degree Celsius tambah dengan 273.15 akan dapat 273.15 Kelvin. So masuk sinilah. 273.15 Kelvin. So what is the value for the mole of the C2H4? Tekan kereta awak. Saya tunggu. So kita akan dapat 0.4461 mole of C2H4 in this combustion process. So how to calculate the mole of oxygen? Kita akan compare by using the equation di mana 1 mole of C2H4 required 3 mole of oxygen. Itu standard value from the equation. But this experiment, the mole of ethene gas is 0.4. Sorry. 0.4461 mole C2H4 required how many mole of oxygen? How to calculate the mole of oxygen? 0.4461 multiple by 3 divided by 1. So dapat tak mole of oxygen gas? Kita akan dapat 1.3384 mole of oxygen. Soalan tanya mole ke volume? Volume of oxygen gas. So how to calculate the volume of oxygen gas? Yes, we use the Same formula to calculate the volume of oxygen gas. PV equals to nRT. Di mana volume of oxygen gas is equals to mole of oxygen gas. R is constant, temperature divided by pressure, which is mole of the oxygen gas calculated from the previous slide is 1.3384 mole multiplied by 0.08206 multiplied by the temperature 273.15 Kelvin divided by the pressure is 1 atm. Okay. So what is the value for the volume of oxygen gas? Kita akan dapat 30.00 liter unit. Unit dia apa? Liter bukan ml. Kenapa liter? Sebab kat sini unit dia mol. Yang ni unit dia liter atm per mol per Kelvin. Ni unit dia Kelvin. Yang ni unit dia apa ni? Pressure ni atm. So, kita akan dapat mol cancel with the per mol. Per Kelvin cancel dengan Kelvin. atm cancel dengan atm. That's why the volume of the oxygen, the unit is liter. Boleh?